Dealing with spaces in Linux could be hard, but today in the over-the-wire Bandit level 2 we will see how to handle them. So let's copy the Bandit level 2 password that we have saved in the documents folder. Let's edit the bandits.md file and let's copy the password. So select it, right click and copy. Now we can exit and let's clear the screen and let's do ssh bandit2 at bandit.labs.overthewire.org. Here we specify the port, that is the usual 2220. Let's enter, Command Shift V to paste the password and let's do ls. Like you can see, we have a file here. Let's try to print it using cat./-- spaces in this file name and --. And like you can see, we can't print it. So how do we deal with spaces in a file? To print files containing spaces, we will have to escape the spaces using a special character. In this case, it's the backslash. So let's try cat ---- spaces, then backslash and a space. If we put a backslash before a character, that means that the character is not interpreted by the bash interpreter, but it's actually the character. So in this case, the space will be considered as space of the file. Here we will add in backslash space, this backslash space, file name --. And like you can see, here we have the password. Just copy it and let's exit. Now let's edit bandits.md again and let's add the new level. So here we will add bandit3 and here paste the password. And yeah, that's it. Now we know how to deal with files that contain spaces. I will also leave you a full documentation about the over-the-wire Bandit in the description. Hope you enjoyed. Drop a like, maybe a follow, and see ya!